Hello, my sweet, sweet doll faces. So, whether you're a mom, a dad, an uncle, an aunt, a nanny, grandparent, or just someone who loves crafts, let me give you some seriously unique and creative, fun ideas to do with your kids. I made this adorable Ralph Lauren coffee little cafe, and apparently Ralph Lauren has a coloring book with the Ralph Lauren bears, but I could not find it. It looks like it's sold out. I don't know if they're going to restock or not, so I found all of these pages on Google and just printed them out like at home, and we just spent the time drinking tea and coffee and water, all of the beverages, and spent that time coloring together. It was just so sweet, and I was honestly so proud of myself for coming up with this. Okay, next up, I recently was recommended by a friend this Young, Wild and Friedman Play-Doh, and this mom just made it's taste safe. I mean, they shouldn't eat it, but it's safe and it smells good. But my mom friend said that this was the best stuff. It doesn't dye things, it doesn't ruin your carpets. If it dries, it's easy to clean up. They have so many adorable sensory bins. Unfortunately, Mariposa's so young. She's only 19 months, but she's just loves everything, and I wanted to go ahead and get her into Play-Doh. So instead of getting the sensory kits, I just ordered a trio of Play-Doh and then kind of created our own. I got her these little puff balls, some cups, got her different things, and obviously I'm watching her, but some of the other things in the sensory bins were a choking hazard, and Mariposa loves to put things in her mouth, even though I'm sitting right there next to her. And here I am just trying to encourage her to smell this, because honestly, all of them smell so good. But me, my husband, and Mariposa, we love playing with this Play-Doh. It's so fun. Now, playing with your kids and their toys and their kitchen set isn't necessarily unique, but over the years I've just saved things up for her. All of this is hand-me-downs, or almost all of it, even the kitchen. But because I have all of these adorable, pretty packaged supplements, once I finished them, I actually just cleaned them out and put them in her kitchen for her, because she loves practicing unscrewing and screwing on lids and putting things inside of other things. So this is just perfect and a great way to recycle and just reuse things that I've spent a lot of money on. And she loves it too. And then you just create new games and stuff. It's just so sweet, so fun, so special. Literally here, out of all of these little puffball things that I've given her for different things, I had to search around the house to find them, but you just can make up games as you go. Just scoop it in, scoop it out. It's great for fine motor skills. It's great for bonding. They don't care what's happening as long as they're being included. Look at her sweet little happy face. She's just so precious. I love her. I love all of this too for independent play. She is an only child and definitely needs to be entertained a lot more. But this is so great for that. Okay, now this one I'm so excited that she's old enough to do. I wanted to have a little cookie decorating party before Valentine's Day, and I honestly just had my adult siblings over, not even kids, but this was such a fun, edible little craft that Mariposa could be a part of. So we went to the store and we got some spaghetti just to make for everybody, and I wanted to set out our flowers. To make it easy on myself, I went ahead and got pre-made cookies in heart and bear shapes, and it came, they were little cookie kits, so they came with icing and sprinkles, and I had some extra sprinkles and icing for changing the color or whatever. So it was a lot of fun. Everybody enjoyed it. We made spaghetti because it's the easiest thing to make for a big group, and Mariposa was helping me. It was so sweet. She was taking the ones that I had baked, putting them in the pot, and trying to taste them every single meatball as she put them in the pot. I got a bunch of stuff for spaghetti from Trader Joe's, since my family's stop taking just bites out of all of them. Mariposa's helping me make spaghetti and meatballs, and she's also tasting them. So, to make it easy, since there's a bunch of us over, I got a bunch of stuff from Trader Joe's. I made garlic confit, then I'm going to add that with the roasted garlic marinara sauce. So I was thinking about it, I would have gotten basil, but I didn't. but we have some like Parmesan, Chardonnay, Merlot cheese that will go really well with this. So I'm gonna add this in there. I got this focaccia bread, the roasted tomato and Parmesan. You just bake it and I drizzle some balsamic over it and it's delicious. I got some pappardelle pasta, some fun pasta to try. Garlic bread gondolas. Yeah, it's gonna be a delicious dinner. Keep going, and we'll wash your hands. I got the meatless meatballs because I couldn't remember like what meat makes my sister have migraines where she literally loses her vision. So we just want meatless. Meatless.